Operation Hydra was a Royal Air Force attack on the Peenemünde Army Research Center on the night of 18 August 1943 to stop Nazi Germany's V-weapon program. But not all laboratories were destroyed. That's the history. And now to Airsoft. Allies will proceed to the operation door to eliminate all remaining missile sites and documents. But this time the Germans were better prepared. We were engaged at the Operation Door, nearby the village Peenemünde. The whole operation was about the launching of the V1 and V2 missiles. All these were long-range missiles and they threatened Great Britain mainly. During this operation, we destroyed all the missile sites. Only one rocket was launched to London. We didn't know what happened. We found the maps, but we weren't able to locate some of the sites. It was tough. This is a classical map of fighting, you know this kind of diagram. These are the Germans, not these are the Americans. These are the Germans. It was hard, because it was before our troops landed. We could not rely on additional supplies, tanks or heavy machinery. We had considerable problems capturing the German positions. We had to be still moving. Otherwise we would have a problem. When we tried to capture the missile site, I met with my biggest problem. My mom called me during the heaviest fighting. She asked me if I had eaten the toast which she prepared for me that morning. I was quite confused, because bullets were flying everywhere. It was heavy fire and the sergeant yelled, "Move," and I had to deal with the phone call. The enemy heard the mobile phone ring. Our position was exposed and fight started. I told my mother not to worry, I would eat the toast after a while, and we kept on fighting. He spotted a fire in the forest, probably. They couldn't seize that hill. They initiated several attacks, but they were beat back. So headquarters decided to call me. I was shot 3 times. It hurt like shit, but I didn't call the hits. It was terrible. The respawn was so overcrowded, there wasn't any space. People had to respawn in the bushes, along the road, in public. It was disgusting. They kept fighting, but they were attacked from another side.
Everybody dead here.
The situation on battlefield is that the German forces lost their HQ. The enemy was able to interrupt our missiles launchers for V1 and V2. We succeed in launching one missile to London. The German forces retreated and regroup head nearby or around the bridge to face other attacks. Bullshit. It was a trap. They didn't retreat to the bridge, they planned a counterattack. Fortunately, we found a lot of grenades in the German trenches, so we used them. We are hoping for the final victory. Here we go with the diagram again. It was a massacre at the bridge. Even I had to call the hits.
Už a jedem. Jak jsem říkal, bacha!
It's hard to translate. I have to go to the bathroom. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.